Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do a really quick, simple set of mini egg nails. Enjoy! Start with your little finger with Love Note. Push up towards the cuticle, down towards the free edge, and then cap in the end. This is Spring Meadow. That's a really good coverage one there. Cap in. Buttercup. Next one, Periwinkle. Really like this, nice purple. Double check them. Yep, pop them under lamp please. Right, so now I'm going to use Serious Black. Pop a little bit onto the palette, and then I'm going to use the No Nails Short Fan brush. Just dip it slightly. I want these to look like mini eggs. So literally just dab randomly onto the nail. Just keep going into the black. You're just doing random speckles. Mini eggs. Just keep loading the brush up, just don't put too much on because you don't want them to like splodge. I'm happy with them. Pop them under the lamp, 30 seconds please. I'm going to encapsulate them with the Urban Graffiti Top Coat. Just remember, capping the free edge, you don't want no early lifting. Pop them under the lamp, 60 seconds. Right, so I'm using Frost from the pastel collection. Cap the free edge. Pop that under in the lamp, 30 seconds. Second coat. Yep, pop that under, 30 seconds please. I'm going to do the same technique as before using the short fan brush. And pop that under 30 seconds, please. Last coat, it's the Urban Graffiti Top Coat. Seal the design. Pop that in for 1 minute. Thank you very much. So finish off with some cuticle oil, and I'm using the pink pineapple. It's going to rehydrate those nails. And there we have a very easy, quick set of mini egg Easter inspired set of nails. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!